In front of me I have WIKO Lenny 5, and I'm gonna show you how to check the IMEI number and the serial number on this device. First, let's open the settings, and to do it, let's just swipe upwards on the screen. This will open the app menu, and here we can scroll down and tap on the settings icon. Once in settings, let's scroll all the way down and select System. Here let's tap on About Phone. Now let's tap on Status. And here scroll down, and as you can see, we have a serial number right here. And to check the IMEI number, we just need to tap on IMEI Information right here. And here we have IMEI numbers, IMEI number 1 and IMEI number 2. There's also another way to check the IMEI numbers, and to do it, let's just go back to home screen. Open the phone app by tapping on this icon right here. Then tap this icon to bring up the keypad. And now enter the code *#06# hash. And this code will open IMEI Information menu, and here we have IMEI numbers listed. And that should be all. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, remember to subscribe to our channel and leave the like on the video.